Good morning all. It is 2 degrees Celsius. We are at Osaka. It's a big station where you can take shinkansen. So today will be our second last day before going back to Bali tomorrow. We are going to shop today and we are taking the shinkansen all the way back to Tokyo because our flight is from Tokyo. So now we are just waiting. It'll be here in 10 minutes. We also bought breakfast. At the Yokoamicho Park. It's like a neighborhood near our hotel. Me and my mom separated with my brother and my dad because they want to buy golf stick while we're looking for kitchenware. This neighborhood is so peaceful. I really want to stay here. It's 1st January, so people are celebrating New Year. A lot of shops are closed. That's why it's not so crowded. Let's just hope the place we want to go is open. Kababashi Street is closed. Now we are at Ginza. We're walking along the Ginza road, but sadly everything is also closed here. Donkey is open, so Good evening. I'm all changed to my yukata. I'm doing a little bit of work, but this hotel have a private bath and I think I wanna try that. And my dad sent me cherries. Cheers. It's kind of sour. Someone asked me to buy this from the donkey, so I got one for myself because he asked me to buy 5 for him. I'm just curious, how good is this thing? I tried the blueberry one the other time. I kind of like it. I liked cheese, so I just can't imagine in the vanilla flavor. They say the QBB is nicer. I feel like they both taste the same. It's just that the Kraft have a hint of blueberry while the QBB have a hint of vanilla. But I still do like the blueberry one better. Maybe I'm a little biased because I love berries, but this is also not bad. See you guys tomorrow. Good morning. I am ready to check out. Our flight is in 4 hours. We're gonna go to the airport because it's 1 hour away. And now I'm all packed. Just need to wear my shoes. Ready to go. I am now waiting for the rapid train to the airport. We arrived in Bali. Didn't get to sleep in the plane, so I got a migraine. It's so hot. I'm like sweating. I'm still wearing my heat tech. Waiting in the restaurant. We're we're eating pork ribs, but it's queuing because it's so crowded, around 20 minutes. So we're too hungry. We just finished eating our dinner. Legit 10 out of 10. If you guys are coming to Bali and you eat pork, please try out their pork. This one is called Noti Nuris. They're famous for their pork ribs, and you guys need to try.